So now that we have looked at digits and how their value changes when they are in different places, we are going to spend some time representing and modeling numbers using our tens and our ones. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to put some ones in the ones place, and I want you to tell me what digit I would use to represent the ones in the ones place. So I'm going to start by putting this many ones in the ones place. What digit could I use to represent the ones we have in the ones place right now? I could use a 3. The digit 3 tells me that I have 3 ones in the ones place. Now what if I add some more ones? Let's see what happens then. I'm going to add a few more ones, and we are going to see what digit I would use then. Now what digit would I use to represent the ones in the ones place? I could use an 8 to represent the ones in the one place now. Now I'm going to challenge us a little bit more, and while I'm adding 4 more ones to the ones place, I want you to think about what you know about making groups of 10. So watch what happens when I add 4 more ones to our ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4. What just happened? How many ones do we have in the ones place now? Now when I count them, I see a group of 10 and 2 ones. So we just composed a group of 10 out of 10 ones. So what can we do? Instead of saying we have 12 ones in the ones place, how can I get 1 digit in the ones place and 1 digit in the tens place? I could go ahead and say, I know that's a group of 10, so I can represent a group of 10 ones with a 10 stick, because I know a 10 stick is 10 ones. So I'm going to switch out my composed group of 10, and I'm going to go ahead and take my 110 and put it in the tens place, because I know that this equals 10, so I have 110 and 2 ones. How can we count 110 and 2 ones? Let's count it together. 10, 11, 12. So we know that we just made the number 12. 12 has 110 and 2 ones. This time I'm going to give us the number first, and we are going to build the number using our tens and our ones. So this time let's go ahead and build the number. We'll do 45. How many ones do I need to build in the ones place for the number 45? Remember, we have to look at the tens place and the ones place. So if I look at the ones place in 45, I see that I have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm checking again, I did 5 ones and I have a 5 in the ones place. And now I'm looking at the tens place, and I see that in our tens place we have a 4. So that means I need to build 4 groups of 10. So I'm going to use my 10 sticks because we're doing the tens place, and I have to put 4 10 sticks. 10, 20, 30, 40. So now let's count it all together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So we built our 5 ones and our 4 tens to build the number 45. We just modeled 45 using tens and ones. Let's do one more together before it's your turn to do it on Seesaw. Let's build the number 62. So let me take my ones away, and we are going to build the number 62. While I'm taking our tens and our ones away, go ahead and start thinking, how many ones do I need to use and how many tens do I need to use? So let's see, we're going to look at our ones place first. I see we have a 2 in the ones place, so I need to get 2 ones to go in the ones place. 1, 2, and then I'm going to go ahead and look at the tens place, and I see we have the digit 6 in the tens place, so I can build 6 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So now we have 6 tens and 2 ones. Let's count them all together just to make sure. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. Now it is your turn to go ahead back to Seesaw, and you are going to build your own numbers using tens and ones.